how to make a yoke on a sweetheart neck using this. And this you are looking at, I've done a tutorial on how to make this, both the sewing and the cutting. I'll be placing the link under the description of this video. So the yoke that we're talking about is a pleated yoke, of which what we need is any fabric. You can make it on any fabric. You can make use of a lace fabric, and you can also make use of an Ankara fabric. After this sweetheart neckline, I'll be making use of a velvet fabric to make a pleat around this, and I'll be showing it to you. So I'll be making use of 1 yard of velvet fabric, and I have to determine the length of the shoulder from here to the back. So now I'll be starting from here, then to the back. You can see. So now this is 14 inches from the front to the back. So with the sewing allowance, I'm going to add 2 inches of sewing allowance to it, making 16 inches, and that is what I'll be using here into 2. The wideness of this velvet now is 16 inches, as you can see. Then the longness of this depends on the length of the fabric, which is 60 or above. It depends on the fabric you are using. The next thing we're going to do here is to take the measurement of where the pleat is going to start from and where it's going to end. So the first thing is to check this area where the front and the back join. So this is the area. Then we're going to take the measurement whereby we're going to create the armhole. So I'll be creating the armhole here, which I'll be making use of 2.5 inches of this, and the 2.5 inches from this joining to the front, then 2.5 inches from this joining to the back. So that will give me the armhole, and this is not constant. If you are making use of bigger measurements, you should make sure you increase it. I'll be doing now, this is 2.5 inches. I'll chalk it for me to know where to start. So another 2.5 inches. You can see I've chalked it. So I'll do the same to the other side. So now we have done with the chalking. The next thing to do here is to make the pleat. So now this is the 16 inches. The first thing you're going to do here is to fold this in, then you stitch it. So now this is the center. You can see I've chalked the center to know the center. So starting from here now, from this center, I'm going to make a pleat. I'll be using the whole of this to this place to make a pleat to this place. You can see it. This is where the 2.5 is. From the center to here is 2.5 that we left. So the pleat I'm going to make with this now is going to be from the center to this area. It might have excess. I'm going to cut it out, and that's what I'll be doing now. So now you can see this is where we stop. You can see it at where I chalked. So this is where I'm going to stop. Then I'll be cutting this excess out. You can see the excess. I'm cutting it out. Then I'll be doing the same for the both sides. So now you can see it. I started from the middle here, then I end it here before the armhole. The same thing applicable to this area. Then you're going to do the same at the back too. You can see. So let me wear it for the mannequin now, so that you see how it's going to look like. Here's the finished work so far. You can see the sleeve now. You can see the pleat. You can see how full the pleat is. You can see how beautiful this is. And you can, I make use of velvet here. You can make use of Ankara. You can make use of lace. It depends on any fabric. It depends on the fabric you are using. You can make it of any fabric of your choice, and this is how it just come out nicely if you do it exactly the same way I did mine. You can see how beautiful it is. So let me show the back for you. You can see it at the back as well. You can see it. If you're watching for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and to all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. Thanks for watching. Bye.